This is a 12 outlet surge power strip, and I cannot wait to do this unboxing today. I'm actually very excited to get this thing open and test and see what this thing is really capable of. Opening it up, I already see that there is a 2-port smart USB on there, so I'm very excited again to get this thing open because I really want to test it out and see how everything is working. Design wise, it already looks pretty smooth. Everything's looking pretty good. Now this thing comes in 2 different colors. It comes in black and it also comes in white, which is a pretty good deal because what kind of strip do you know that can do all this stuff and is going for that cheap? Not too many out there. Looking at it, it has 12 outlets on there. It has 2 smart USBs. It has a in and output for cable and satellite, and it has 2 outputs for your phone and 1 input. So that's pretty high tech. I've never actually seen one that had cable and satellite on the power strip before, so that's pretty new to me. Yes, again, you have your 2 smart USBs, which have 2.1 volts of what's it called?